Hey, today we're going to take an inside look at the Breville Barista Touch Impress espresso machine. Now this one comes in different colors, and what I'm going to do is from scratch, we're going to make a latte. We're going to go through the different settings, talk about the different drinks that this could do. We're going to take a look at the puck system and how it has the manual impress, which is so amazing. And it even has this wand right here in which you can automatically froth your milk and steam your milk, or you're able to do it manually, which I did not know when I bought it. And I'm so excited that I'm able to do it manually. And so we're going to go from beginning to end, take a look at it, and let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the very first thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and turn the machine on. And it's got a really nice LED touch screen right here that you're able to use. And this is going to be kind of the hopper where all of your beans will go if you're trying to grind your own beans. And then as you can see, this is going to be your milk wand. This is going to be where your puck goes here. And right here is where it actually puts all of your espresso there that grinds it. Everything is so amazing. And we're going to go ahead and bring this out, in which basically it has this little tray back here which you could put all of your nice little accessories, and then this could be taken out to where you're able to kind of drain it and do whatever you need to do. So the very first thing we're going to do, got a couple of different presets right here. As you can see, we could do espresso, we could do latte, flat white, cappuccino, Americano, hot chocolate, Babysino, I don't really know what that is, tea and milk only. What we're going to do is we're going to go over here to latte, or we could just do a preset or a saved one that I've already done, which goes to here. And basically we got three different settings. We have the actual espresso grind, and then we have the shot, and then we have the actual milk base. And what we're going to do is, since we're ready to get started, we're going to go ahead and push this. And then what it's going to do, it's going to go ahead and get started there. And then you're able to change your grind right here as far as what your grind number to be. We're going to do the manual puck here, which goes just like this. And right now we have a check mark, and that means we're good to go. Now, if it did not give you a check mark, it might say you need to add a little bit more, and then you would just push it, and you'll simply just go like that, and you would go until then. So now we know we're good to go. We could go ahead and we can pull this out, and this gives you an indication of what it looks like. Then what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put it in here. Okay, and then we got our milk ready over here, and it comes with everything that you need to get started. And then all your coffee beans, of course, are going to go in here, and this is what it looks like. Now what we're going to do is giving you an indication of what we are doing next. So we're going to go ahead and push this button here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pour the shot. This is what it looks like right here. And then if it's too fast, too slow, or if it's not right, it's going to let you know right up here. So then what we're going to do is we're going to take this out. As you can see, this is what it looks like, and this is our shot with nice cream. Look at that. And so I went ahead and kind of turned the backlight out. That way you can get kind of a better look at what the screen looks like. And right now what it's doing, it's giving you an indication to go ahead and get started with the milk. Now there's two ways that you're able to do this. What you could do is you could simply just put this down right here. And then what you could do is you could manually do it by simply just pushing manual right here. Or what you could do is you could simply just, watch this right here, you could lower it down right here, and then you would simply just go ahead and push the milk button right there. Now the way that this works is really simple. Right over here is a little temperature sensor, and what it does, it automatically senses the temperature. Once it reaches to about 150 degrees, that's when it knows that it's good to go. And so what we're going to do is we're going to, we could just do the manual, in which what I would do is go about right here, then angle it to about right there. Or what we could do is we could just go ahead and do the automatic. And what I'll do is I'll just show you the automatic and go here. Then we're going to go ahead and push this button here. All right, so as you can see, it's starting to foam up and it's steaming the milk. All right, so here's a quick look at the screen just to let you know what we're looking at. And it's actually going through and showing you the temperature right there. That is really impressive. Take a look how this thing is working. That is just awesome. Okay, so what we do is we simply just lift up like this, and we're going to go ahead and pull this down. We take a rag, wipe it off really good, just like this. This part is very awesome. We're going to go put it down. Now what it's going to do, it's actually going to purge it. Check that out. To get rid of any kind of milk filaments. That way there's nothing getting on the inside. And that's exactly the way that a professional barista would do. Then what we do is we go ahead and just kind of rotate this. And I want you to look how smooth that is. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pour this in. Now, I do not know how to do latte art, so I'm just going to go around like this. We're going to do a little bit of froth over here. All right, now look how creamy this is. Look how creamy this latte is. Now, when I froth it myself and do it manually, I definitely get more froth. And of course, you can go through the settings and you can actually increase the froth. This is freaking phenomenal. Yep, that tastes pretty good. So going through here, I could definitely say this is by far my favorite machine that I love to use. There's so many more features to go through, but that's going to be it for today. I definitely recommend that you pick up this Breville Barista Touch Impress. It is so amazing. Go ahead and get this, and it's making barista style coffee, lattes, cappuccinos, and all kinds of really cool stuff. Go ahead and check this out for yourself.